How to change iOS 18 Photos app. Let's get started. Not a fan of the new iOS 18 Photos app? Miss the simplicity of iOS 17's layout? While you can't change directly revert to the iOS 17 app, there are a few ways to bring back that familiar look and feel. Here's what you can do. Launch your Photos app. You can customize the new Photos app's view options to resemble the older layout. For that, scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you'll see the option of customize and reorder. Click on that option. Now here you're gonna find different options. Just check in for the option media types, albums, utilities, and shared albums. Just uncheck other options. If you wanna set any of these options at the top, you can just long press on it and then scroll up or down in this way. Once you are done, you can click on this icon to save it. Now you can have a look. And there you have it. While iOS 18 brings many new features, these tweaks can help you recapture that clean classic look you loved in iOS 17. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.